Top 7. Best trolling coolers. Fisherman, sports fan, or just find yourself always doing some kind of outdoor activity. Number 7. Igloo Max Cold Quantum. The Igloo Max Cold Quantum 52 roller cooler is perhaps our favorite budget product available today. While it's not going to last you for days at a time, it's perfect for a day trip. It may be inexpensive, but it comes with plenty of premium features, wheeled for easy transport. Internal shelf ledge provides food and beverage there with ease. Number 6. YETI Tundra Haul Portable. It keeps consistent with the classic YETI look, and makes it stand out from the crowd. It's actually the first ever YETI on wheels, which makes it ultra rough and tumble. The never flat wheels feature a solid, one-piece tire construction that's puncture resistant. The core and virtually indestructible. The first ever YETI cooler on wheels. A durable welded aluminum arm. Number 5. Igloo Trailmate Marine. The Rolls-Royce in the wheeled cooler world. Just looking at it you can tell it has all the bells and whistles you could ever need on your adventures. There are 2 aluminum stands on the front which give more stability, and a no-slip grip means to tipping over. Stainless steel and aluminum parts. Lightweight marine-grade aluminum parts. The drain plug cap prior to use. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best trolling coolers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Coleman Soft Cooler. Not all wheeled coolers are marked up at a higher price tag. The Coleman 42 can Soft Cooler is an excellent budget product. While it may not give you the ice retention of the others, it's a perfect option if you only need it overnight, or are going to be using it for a few hours. Antimicrobials to resist odor. Holds 42 cans. Heat-welded seams prevent leaks. Number 3. Driftsun 70-quart wheeled ice chest. Insulation will keep your food and drinks cold for days. Next up, you have a hanging wire basket for better separation between food/drink, a cooler divider, and 2 bottle openers make it perfect for camping, fishing, or sports games. Seriously portable. Military-grade nylon rope handles. Recessed no-leak drain plug. Number 2. Igloo Glide Pro Wheeled Cooler. No more should you have to take multiple coolers along, thanks to the whopping 110 QT capacity. With its oversized sport rally wheels and long telescoping handle, managing this large cooler is easy to take around tight corners, uphill or even the beach. Polyethylene. Ultra-therm insulated body. Oversized sport rally wheels. Number 1. Pelican Products ProGear Elite. Or Outdoor Tan. The Pelican ProGear Elite Wheeled Cooler is definitely one to turn heads. If not for their looks, their functionality. This heavy-duty wheeled cooler is not messing around, with a capacity of either 45 or 80 quarts. True 45-quart internal volume. Extreme ice retention. Leak-proof drain plug. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best trolling coolers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.